Greetings to my YouTube family. Hope all is well. Let's talk about vitamin C. No doubt. Based on the information provided, here is a summary guide on how to effectively use vitamin C in your skincare routine. Benefits of vitamin C: ascorbic acid. Antioxidant protection. Protects skin from UV damage by acting as a free radical scavenger. Pigmentation correction. Inhibits the enzyme tyrosinase, reducing melanin production and lightening pigmentation. Collagen synthesis. Stimulates collagen production, aiding in skin firmness and elasticity. Choosing the right formulation. Forms. The most effective form is L-ascorbic acid. Concentrations typically range from 5% to 20%. For sensitive skin, dermatitis, eczema, rosacea, acne, start with lower concentrations 5%, 10%. For normal skin, higher concentrations 15%, 20% can be used. Application guidelines. Morning routine. Use vitamin C as an antioxidant. Apply it in the morning to reduce UV damage and protect against environmental pollutants. Combine with vitamin E, tocopherol, and ferulic acid for enhanced effectiveness. SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic is a recommended product. Evening routine. Use vitamin C for pigmentation issues. Apply it at night to inhibit melanin production and correct pigmentation. It can be combined with other pigment inhibitors like arbutin, kojic acid, lactic acid, glycolic acid, and botanicals e.g. berberry, licorice root extract. Additional uses. Collagen production. Vitamin C can be part of your nighttime routine to promote collagen synthesis. Potential interactions and considerations. pH levels. Effective vitamin C formulations have a low pH around 2, making them more acidic than the skin. This can cause irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin conditions. Combinations. Safe to combine with vitamin E and niacinamide. Use with caution when combining with retinol or skincare acids, AHAs like glycolic acid and BHAs like salicylic acid. Tips for use. Sensitive skin. Gradually increase the concentration of vitamin C to build tolerance. Patch test. Always perform a patch test when introducing a new vitamin C product to check for adverse reaction. This guide should help you incorporate vitamin C effectively into your skincare routine for various benefits, including antioxidant protection, pigmentation correction, and collagen synthesis. You people must have acquired knowledge in this video about vitamin C. If you like the video, then like, share, and subscribe my channel.